say hello to the all-new 2019 Volvo S60. With it, Volvo says goodbye to its last link to Ford ownership, the current S60 having been around since the 2019 sedan will be produced at Volvo's first U.S. factory, in Charleston, South Carolina. It will be the first Volvo produced in the U.S. after 63 years as an import. The U.S. plant is expected to build 60,000 S60s per year, about half destined for export. The S60 will also be the first Volvo not to diesel, Volvo going with 2 standard gas engines and 2 gas hybrids.